Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to buy XRP using Trust Wallet. To begin, you will need to fund your Trust Wallet. Open the application and navigate to the Buy option. Here, you can purchase a base cryptocurrency, such as BNB Smart Chain, using a credit card or other payment methods through integrated third-party providers. Always double-check that you are buying the correct token on the Binance Smart Chain network to ensure compatibility for the next steps. Now that your wallet is funded, it is time to swap for XRP. Tap on the swap icon at the bottom of your Trust Wallet screen. You will then select the cryptocurrency you wish to swap from, for example, BNB Smart Chain. Next, choose XRP as the cryptocurrency you want to receive. The application will display the current exchange rate and an estimated amount of XRP you will acquire. Remember to account for network transaction fees. Before finalizing your purchase, carefully review all the transaction details presented on your screen. This includes the amount of XRP you are about to receive, the amount of your original cryptocurrency being spent, and any applicable network fees. Once you are satisfied with the details, confirm the swap using your wallet's security credentials, such as your passcode or fingerprint. The transaction will then be sent to the blockchain for processing, which usually takes only a few moments. Congratulations! Your XRP should now be visible in your Trust Wallet balance. You can view your transaction history and current holdings directly within the app. Remember, securing your wallet is paramount. Never share your 12-word recovery phrase with anyone, as this grants full access to your funds. Always enable additional security measures, such as a strong passcode and biometric authentication, to protect your valuable cryptocurrency assets from unauthorized access.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.